So this is a video, just a quick show how I put my little self-built truck camper into the back of my truck. It is completely removable. There's about 6 big pieces that kind of all fit together, and they stay in place just by a snug fit in the back of the truck. Here you can see me putting in the main bottom plywood piece and the side cabinet. And here I am putting in the other half of the base of the camper. It's basically just one 4x8 sheet and then a secondary one cut to size to fit snugly within the wheel wells at the back of the truck. Those 2 rods I was just tugging on there just kind of keep everything in place. Like I say, it's all kind of snug fit. This big drawer is probably about 50 or 60 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. And then the sliding drawer is on 90-pound drawer slides. And it just opens up those 2 little buttons there. And so this is the main platform part of the bed. And you can see I cut out a little hinged cabinet opening here, and then it opens up to a little 1.5 by, I don't know, 2-foot drawer. I put more permanent things in there because it's a little bit trickier to access it once the bed's actually in place. A little small accessory drawer, and then a topper for the sliding drawer. That's been awesome for camping. This is the final piece for the platform bed. Going in there, it just slides in. And this piece can actually be removed. I'll show that a little bit later. This is just the top opening to the cabinet. Makes it a bit easier to access when the bed is in this position. Yeah, that's basically how it looks without anything in it. Now, a quick show how it could be turned into like a single bed camper with a little more footroom, a bit more storage. Got these 3 little plugs here that just fit into place, and they basically hold that bigger piece of plywood in place. Just give it a little test there. Yeah. Then I throw in the mattress and some blankets, and then yeah, I got a super cozy little truck. So I just wanted to do a very quick update on the truck. Hopefully that video that I just posted of me putting it in kind of gives you a better idea of how it looks. This is currently how it looks. So inside, now I got it all carpet lined all up top here. I did that all myself, and I added some curtains so you can get a little bit of privacy. And there's also now lights kind of all around each window, and I'll show you those a little bit later once it gets darker. And that's what it looks like at night. Super, super cozy. That's the back window, and then the side windows. Side window. Cozy, private, and yeah. Everything else still works the same though. Drawers, just 2 little switches. It pops right out. And I got a little camper stove in there. And one thing I have done now is I've split the mattress. In the video that's just before this, how I put it all in, I got these little pieces here that I can pull out. And there's 3, one here, one in the middle, one in the back. And then this whole mattress, basically, there's a piece of wood underneath that slides up top, and I can put the mattress in for a little bit extra space. So before it was hard to access these spaces when the bed was in the full position. And actually someone recommended putting a little open around the top. So now I can access it from the top. It's just all plywood. A couple drawers, a couple little sections. All for like 500 bucks. That's it. If you have any questions at all or requests on like things you want to see, let me know. And if you want to see any more details about this build, I actually have another video you can look at, and I'll put the link to that somewhere. So, thanks for watching.